As a team leader or manager, you have additional responsibilities apart from your role as a sales agent. You have to make sure that your team responds to all the incoming customer messages, do the follow-ups in a timely manner, and be online and active during work hours. Many team leaders and managers also have to supervise trainees. Early on, it's important to check the quality of their work and their ability to convert. You may even have to train them to use Click Connector. Here are 10 things that you will learn today. Don't worry, everything is simple and you will master them in no time.
We've created 3 folders so that you can easily make sure that your team is on top of all your conversations. From time to time, check the Unassigned folder, the Awaiting Reply folder, and the Follow-ups folder. If these folders are empty or close to 0, that's an indicator that your team is running smoothly. By default, when auto-routing is enabled, only the relevant users will be notified about the new chats. There's a configuration option available in the workspace setting to alert everyone in the team if there are unassigned chats. This setting will display a red banner at the top of the screen when there are incoming leads without an agent assigned to them. If you want to make the alert even more prominent, use the configuration option to notify everyone via visual and audio notification. When this option is enabled, we recommend that you turn on the Prevent Join Chat Clashes configuration. This makes sure that multiple users won't join a single chat. Our recommendation is that you consider these additional configuration only if you think your team is not efficiently picking chats. You always have to make sure that your team is online and available to reply to customers. You can use the Team Availability widget to quickly understand how many agents are available currently to reply to messages. By default, Smart Availability is turned on in your configuration settings. What this means is that when one of your team members is not active on Click Connector, yet they are logged in and online, Click Connector will automatically turn their status to away, and they will be notified about the availability status change. This configuration makes sure that chat routing is optimized for active users. Additionally, you might want to take a look into the conversation flow report to understand the usual lead flow pattern. This will help you to understand the team power that you need to serve the incoming leads. As a team manager, it will be your responsibility to train your team on the tools they will be using and watch out for their performance. Click Connector offers all the training materials for you to easily onboard your team. We recommend that they go through the basics by going through the tours that are available. Additionally, we recommend them to watch the Unibox introduction video to understand SIC connectors in Box better. You would also want to make sure that all users have their bio and description filled in. This can be configured through the User Profile section. These blurbs appear in the live chat widget in your website and other places like Quote Creators. We recommend that you use real images for the avatars. If you don't want to, at least use a character avatar that is designed on brand. This helps to maintain your brand authenticity. The users can also configure their profile by clicking on User Avatar in the right-hand bottom corner and then clicking on My Profile. If anyone has additional further questions or have an idea to improve Click Connector to help them work better, you can always reach out to us via the support line available in the right-hand bottom corner of the screen. We love speaking with our users. Your company has a brand voice, and you would want to reflect that in chat starters and standard chat events like transferring, follow-ups, prompting to wait, etc. When you configure the message presets in your workspace settings, it'll make the message presets available to all users. Your entire team will be sharing your brand tone, and it'll also reduce the total time spent in replying to customers. By default, Click Connector has already set up few sample presets to give you a better idea on organizing the presets. This marks the end of our guide for sales managers. Feel free to click around and explore more functionalities on your own.